Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Paula.
I'm Vitor.
And we are Flourish, a channel about financial and personal growth.
Today's video, how to file your taxes with Wealthsimple Tax. So we're gonna walk you through the process, show everything in the computer, and you'll see how simple it is.
You don't need to pay any money to do your taxes. So if you're interested in this, already give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends and family and whoever you want to share this video with. And don't forget to subscribe and
activate the notifications.
And let's begin.
Just before we jump into it, we would like to share some information. Did you know that the government website has a list of all the tax softwares that are certified by them that you can use to file your taxes? So we're putting the link down below in the description that you can access and check it. It's really helpful if you guys not using Wealthsimple Tax.
So, a few things you should keep in mind before you file your taxes. One of them is deadlines. All individuals have until April 30th to file their taxes. This also applies to employees. However, if you're self-employed, you have until June 15 to file your taxes. But all of the tax payments should be made before April 30th. Otherwise, you'll have to pay interest. And also, before you file your taxes, obviously you need to gather all of your information. So all of your T's, so T3, T4s, T5s. If you ask for the benefit due to COVID last year, either CERB or CRB or employment income, you also need to gather those forms. If you had to pay any expenses of your own because of working from home, you also need the form T2200 or something like that. And if you're self-employed, gather any information that has your income, expenses, deductions, gather everything. And then to file your taxes, you can do that either online, in paper, or by phone. Obviously, we recommend online is the easiest. And after you file your taxes, you just wait for the assessment and you either get paid or you have to pay. But that's pretty much it.
Okay, so first thing, access their website, wealthsimple.com, and under products, you have tax. And here, you just click Start Your 2020 Tax Return. It will load a page. If you don't know, Wealthsimple bought Simple Tax. So if you use Simple Tax before, you just click in this first option and log in with your Simple Tax account. If not, you just access the second option and it will tell you to sign in. However, if you already have an account with Wealthsimple, regardless the type of investment, crypto, cash, trade or robot, it's the same. So you just have one login to all your accounts. So you just have to log in, which is our case. So once you're logged in, this is the screen that you're gonna see, and you can notice on the left side the navigation panel that you know soon why this is so important and helpful. Below the navigation panel, you'll find a box with the refund or tax payable that will be updated as you enter your information. Now remember, this is just an estimate. So let's jump into the tax return itself. This first box that you see here, it's about you, just basic information. The second box is the net file access code. It's a code that you can find under your CRA login, and you can find it under notice of assessment of last year. It's not a mandatory field, but it will help CRA to confirm your identity. Now, when you scroll down here a little bit more, we can see information about your address. So let's take a closer look in this box, you and your family. Here you have the marital status. Now take a look on the left pane for now. Once I change it to married, you'll see that your partner title will pop up here. And that's why the navigation panel is so helpful, because if you have a really complex tax return, it will help you navigate through the boxes. Now, back here on this box, you and your family, you can also put to file your taxes together with your partner, which you can create an account, another box to them, and click continue, and you will see that another box will be linked, and once you click in this box, it will load the same information that you have to fill about your partner. So let's just go back to where we were. Here you can also put if you have any dependent, so another title is added here on the left panel. But for this example, we're gonna keep simple, so I will just put single here and unlink my partner. So scrolling down a little bit more, we have some miscellaneous questions and 2 boxes here that are taxes benefits that most of the people can claim. Climate Action Incentive and Ontario Freedom Benefit. If you don't know what they are, you can just click on the link here. It will directly pop up a new window that will explain you and answer your questions, so you know if you're eligible for the benefit or not. Same thing for Ontario Freedom. Once you click here, you'll see that we'll load the Canada government website to explain all that. So it's a very nice link to explain to you how it works. So let's just say that you're claiming Climate Action Incentive. You see that the box updates automatically with your refund, $300. Scrolling down a little bit more, you have a couple of questions about your CRA account, and then we come to the search bar. Once you click on the search bar, you can see all the options that you can claim in your tax return. So a lot of options, and for walkthrough purpose, we'll just add a few of them. So let's say T4, and then we go back to search and search for tuition. You see here, you can search too, so tuition, and let's add our RSP, and let's add employment expenses, because due to COVID, if you guys worked at home, the home office, you guys can claim some deductions or credits. Alright, so now I'm gonna use the panel to navigate through my things. So let's go to our T4 or my T4, and if you're not sure what these boxes mean, you can just hover your mouse and see, for example here, box 14, employment income, and then you see on your T4 the amount that is there. Other than that, it's pretty straightforward. You just fill all your informations here, and now looking back to the panel, you can notice a number 1 here. This is a mandatory field that I skipped. So if you click on this number 1, it will move me directly to the field that I need to populate. And once you added all your information in your tax return, you just go all the way down to this button here, reveal, that you can just click, and it will tell you, give you suggestions, warnings, and errors that you can go through and maximize your refund or reduce your tax payable. So once you reviewed your tax return, you can scroll down a little bit, and then down here you will see submit. So you can submit your tax return and also save a PDF just in case.
So that's it for today's video, guys. We really hope you enjoyed it and got the most out of it. Of course, if you have any questions, leave it in the comments down below and we'll be happy to get back to you.
And don't forget that we are putting the links, all of them, in the description, so please go and check it out. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share with your friends and family, activate the notifications, and see you next time.